Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve a functional equation, and the equation given is you have f of 1 by x plus f of 1 minus x, and this is equals to x. Then what is the function, what is fx? So how will you solve this problem? Generally these kinds of problems are solved by substitution and manipulations. Now in this case, if you see closely, you will find you have 1 by x as one argument and 1 minus x as another argument. So we will make two times substitution. One time we will assume 1 by x as some variable, and another time I will assume 1 minus x as some variable. And then we will see if we need some another equation or some relationship between these two equations, and then we can solve for fx. So let us try to solve this problem. So first we will assume that first substitution, that is 1 by x is equals to t. This means in terms of t I can write x is equals to 1 by t. So with this substitution I can write this is f of 1 by x, that is simply t, and f of 1 minus x, that is f of 1 minus x is nothing but 1 by t, and this is equals to x, that is 1 by t. So I can write this is ft plus f of t minus 1 by t is equals to 1 by t. Now this is true for all x, so I can replace t with x. So if I replace t with x, I will have fx plus f of x minus 1 divided by x, and this is equals to 1 by x. Let us call this is a first equation and this as second equation. So we have made one substitution, that is 1 by x is equals to t. Now let us make the another substitution, that is 1 minus x is equals to some variable. So let we have 1 minus x is equals to u. So now from here I can write x in terms of u, x is equals to 1 minus u. So now the function becomes f of 1 by x, and x is nothing but 1 minus u, and this is fu, and this is equals to x, and x is nothing but 1 minus u. Now this is true for all x. Then I can replace u with x. So I can replace u with x. So what I will have? I will have in this case f of 1 by 1 minus x plus f of x, and this is equals to 1 minus x. So let us call this equation as equation 3. So now if you see how many unknowns we have. You have one unknown is f of 1 by x, another is f of 1 minus x, and then you have fx, and then you also have f of x minus 1 by x, and there is also another unknown f of 1 by 1 minus x. So we have so many unknowns. So basically 5 unknowns, and in this case we have only 3 equations. We need to generate more equations, and so that we can have unknowns and equations are same, or we may use some of the equation that has only few numbers of unknown. So we can make another substitution because I have to generate more equation, so there is no way. Let us make another substitution. 1 by x is equals to 1 minus 1 by y. So this 1 by x, here you have this term 1 by x. So this term I am substituting with 1 minus 1 by y, and this is coming, the motivation is coming from the fact this is here. You see this term is what? This term is 1 minus 1 by x, that is x minus 1 by x is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x. So motivation is coming from here. So now let us write, so with this I can solve for x. So this will be simply 1 by x is equals to y minus 1 by y. This means x is equals to y divided by y minus y. So the equation 1 will become f of 1 minus 1 by y plus f of 1 minus x, and x is nothing but y divided by y minus 1, and this is equals to x, that is y divided by y minus 1. So this becomes f of y minus 1 divided by y plus, this will be simply, in the numerator you will have minus 1 because y will cancel out, divided by y minus 1, and this is equals to y divided by y minus 1. I can replace y with x because this is true for all y. So now I can replace y with x. And then what I will have? I will have in this case f of x minus 1 by x plus f of minus 1 by x minus 1. So if I observe the minus sign, this will be 1 by 1 minus x because I multiplied by a minus in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we will have y divided by y minus 1. So let's call this equation as equation 4. Now see the miracle. You will see this term. Now I can find f of x minus 1 by x from equation 2. So you have this term in equation 2. And this will you can write in terms of fx. And this term you have in equation 3. And this will also give you result in terms of fx only. So if you substitute equation 3 and equation 2 in equation 4, you will have equation only in terms of fx. So let's do that. So what we are doing is, we are going to substituting fx minus 1 by x and f of 1 by 1 minus x from 3 and 2 respectively. 2 and 3 respectively. So this is from 2 and 3. So if you will do that, what you will have? You will have now the first term f of x minus 1 by x, this will be simply 1 by x, and this term will go to the right hand side. So this will be 1 minus x minus fx plus f of 1 minus x, this will be 1 minus x, and this term will go to the right hand side. So this is 1 minus x minus fx. So this is again 1 minus x minus fx. And this is equals to, basically I should have replaced this by with x. So this is x. So this is x by x minus 1. So let me write with black ink. So this is x by x minus 1. So you will have, this is fx, this is fx. So minus 2fx. And let us put this all thing to the right hand side. So this will be x by x minus 1 minus 1 minus x, and this is minus 1 by x. And if you multiply with the negative sign, you will have 2fx is equals to, this will be minus x divided by x minus 1, and this will be plus 1 minus x, and this will be plus 1 by x. Now take the LCM. So if you take LCM, you will have x into x minus 1, and this is minus x into x, and this plus 1 minus x into x minus 1, and then finally we'll have plus x minus 1. So if you simplify a little bit, you will have 2fx is equals to minus x square plus this is x minus x square times x minus 1, and this is plus x minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1. So this term, so if you multiply this term, so this is 2fx, and this will be minus x square plus, so x into x square minus x cube, and minus plus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1. So some of the term will cancel out. So you will have, this is x square, this is minus x square, x, and here also you have minus x. So finally fx is equals to half, because you have to divide by 2 both sides, then 2 will be eliminated. You will have x square minus x cube minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1. Or you can write, if you multiply by negative sign in the numerator and denominator, this will be x cube minus x square plus 1, and this will be x into 1 minus x. So this is the function. The final function for this problem is fx is equals to half of x cube minus x square plus 1 divided by x into 1 minus x. Now see, this function is defined only if denominator is not equal to 0. This means x is equals to 0. If x equals to 0, this function is not defined. This means the condition is x is not equal to 0 and 1 minus x is also not equal to 0. This means x is not equal to 1. So in the domain, these 2 points has been removed. You can have any value of x but not these 2 values. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.